Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video we are going to make a EMP gun. So let's get started. The first thing that we need is a mosquito bat. Then take some wires, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver, and then a tape. Remove the top portion of the mosquito racket, which will not be needed for our project. Make a coil using the wire. Now join one end of the coil to the high volt generator circuit. We are going to create a spark gap between the two wires so that keep the wires closely and glue them. Now close the body of the mosquito racket. This is the switch which is used for turning on the EMP jammer, and this is the 230 volt socket to charge the battery. Now I am going to charge the EMP gun using the 230 volt socket. When there is a indication of red light, that means the bat is charging. Now let's test whether our EMP gun is working or not. I am going to test using these two phones. As you can see, our display of the phone is turning on and off. If you keep this jammer for 1 minute or 3 minutes, the phone will die. This means that our EMP gun is working without any issues. These type of experiment is only for educational purpose only. Do not try these experiments at home. Trying these type of experiments on an electrical gadget might cause temporary or permanent damage. If there is any damage caused by its EMP gun by you, this channel is not responsible for it. Now let's continue the experiment. As you can see, that phone is switched off. When I kept that EMP gun in the back of the phone suddenly gets switched off and reboots automatically by it. As you can see, our phone is collapsed totally due to this EMP gun and it is rebooting again by itself. This is the circuit diagram for this EMP gun. Basically what happens is the 3.5 volt battery is converted into 4000 kilovolt by the high voltage generator, and this is given to the coil to create the electromagnetic pulse, and this electromagnetic pulse can damage any electronic gadgets. There is a spark gap created between the coil and the high voltage generator. This is the final circuit diagram for this EMP gun. That's all for today's video guys. Let me catch you in my another video. Until then, it's me Janum signing out. Bye bye.